Did you know that one simple ingredient could be the secret to fighting acne and soothing irritated skin? Yes, it's green tea. But is it really the best solution for acne-prone skin? Let's find out. Green tea isn't just a refreshing drink, it's packed with antioxidants like catechins that have powerful anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties. This makes it a natural warrior against acne. But how exactly does green tea work on your skin? Here's the science behind it. Green tea is packed with powerful antioxidants and nutrients that are beneficial for your skin. One of the key benefits is its ability to reduce inflammation. This means it can help soothe redness and swelling, making your skin look calmer and more even-toned. Additionally, green tea has antibacterial properties that target P. acnes bacteria, the main culprit behind acne. By fighting these bacteria, it helps to prevent breakouts and keeps your skin clearer. Another significant benefit is its ability to control excess sebum production. By regulating the amount of oil your skin produces, green tea helps to prevent clogged pores, which can lead to acne and other skin issues. So, incorporating green tea into your skincare routine can result in a clearer, healthier complexion. Many skincare brands are now including green tea extract in their products for its soothing properties. This powerful ingredient is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, making it a favorite among skincare enthusiasts. Green tea extract can help calm irritated skin, reduce redness, and even out your complexion. It's also packed with polyphenols, which help to fight free radicals and prevent premature aging. Look for products with green tea to help balance your skin's oil production and reduce breakouts naturally. Whether you have oily, dry, or combination skin, green tea extract can be beneficial. It helps to regulate sebum production, which is crucial for maintaining a healthy skin barrier. Check ingredient labels for Camellia sinensis leaf extract. This is the scientific name for green tea extract, so make sure to look for it when shopping for skincare products. Incorporating green tea extract into your routine can lead to clearer, healthier skin over time. Want to try it at home? If you're looking for a natural and effective way to enhance your skincare routine, we've got a simple hack for you. Here's a quick DIY tip. Brew a cup of green tea. Let it cool completely. Green tea is packed with antioxidants and has anti-inflammatory properties that are great for your skin. Once it's cooled, you can use it as a toner. Simply apply it to your face with a cotton pad or pour it into a spray bottle for a refreshing mist. It's a gentle way to refresh your skin and reduce inflammation. Regular use can help improve your skin's clarity and texture, leaving you with a radiant, healthy glow. Want clear skin naturally? Incorporate green tea into your routine. For a ready-to-use solution, try our Femny Anti-Acne Face Wash with green tea extract, designed to fight acne, reduce redness, and leave your skin looking fresh and healthy. If you found this video helpful, hit like and subscribe to our channel, Health Point Skincare, for more expert skincare tips. Your journey to clear skin starts today. See you next time.